So today we got us a dryer that won't cut on, and whenever you go into a problem like that, any voltage, you want to start off from the beginning, receptacle where it's plugged up at. There's your hot right there, the red, and then you got another hot on the black wire. That white obviously is the neutral. You want to make sure you get 120 in each hot wire, 240 should be coming in, and if it's not, then you know it's the breaker. But today we are getting 120 each. So the receptacle is not the problem, but it's the dryer. So I went straight to the start button and noticed that the mechanism right there is stuck. It looks like somebody tried to glue it together at one point. And when you push it in, it's not initiating at all. Also noticed the start button was cracked, so we went ahead and replaced the start button as well. You see it cracked right there down the middle. Yep, no good. Went ahead and replaced both of those guys, and now it's working. Dryer's turning on. The handyman out.
In my hands on my face, and I'm still on my feet. To the top like a motherfucker lead. Try make me flop, I won't motherfucker leave.